Good morning, first graders. We are on theme 7, week 1, day 2 of our KAM blueprints. The story for the week, That Toad is Mine. Theme concept, characters find unique ways to solve problems. Strategy, summarize. Skill, problem solving. Okay, yesterday we used our stretchers. Today I'm going to say the sounds and then you are going to say the word out loud. Okay, here we go. First word, S, T, A, P. Word, that's right, stop. Next word is click, K, L, I, K. Word. That's right. Okay, next word. S, L, E, D. Word. T, O, D. Word. And next one, last word. B, O, T. Word. Okay, let's do letter names. Letter, 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 letter. Okay, let's move on to our regular words. So again, I'm going to say the word, spell the word, and then say the word again, and then it will be your turn. Let's begin. My turn, word again. A-G-A-I-N. Again. Your turn, word. Spell again. And word. My turn, word, forest. F-O-R-E-S-T. Forest. Your turn, word. Spell forest. And word. Ooh, let's do this one in a squeaky voice. Near. N-E-A-R. Near. Your turn, word. Spell near. And word. My turn, word, goes. G-O-E-S. Goes. Your turn, word. Spell goes. And word. My turn, word, turn. T-U-R-N. Turn. Your turn, word. Spell turn. And word. My turn, word, want. W-A-N-T. Want. Your turn, word. Spell want. And word. Ooh, let's do this one in a whisper voice. My turn, word, soon. S-O-O-N. Soon. Your turn, word. Spell soon. And word. My turn, word, share. S-H-A-R-E. Share. Your turn, word. Spell share. And word. My turn, word one. O-N-E, one. Your turn, word. Spell one. And word. Ooh, let's clap this one out. My turn, word, far. F-A-R, far. Your turn, word. Spell far. And word. My turn, word, two. This is like the number two. T-W-O, two. Your turn, word. Spell two. And word. Okay, and move on to letter sounds. Remember, we're practicing that long O sound. So sound, that's right, O. Sound. Did you say O or ow? Sound. 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 That's right. This one's gonna, that bossy E's making that long A sound. 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 Ooh, this is the other tricky one. So remember, when a E is after C, it makes the S sound. 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 Okay, day two. Here we go. I'm going to blend the first one with you. Sound. That's right. L. Sound. Eh. Blend. Le. Sound. F. Blend. L. F. Left. Sound. T. Blend. Left. Word left. Good. Okay. Sound. Blend. Sound. Blend. Word. Did you say road? Sound. Sound. Blend. Word. Sound. Sound. Blend. Sound. Blend. Word. Sound. Sound. Blend. Sound. Ooh, that means that E is going to make that long sound. Blend. Sound. Blend. Sound. Blend. So it should be second syllable, side, blend, beside. Way to go, first graders.